First thing I want to mention, this motorhome is built on a Mercedes Actros chassis. You have a 12.8 liter engine V12 that gets 530 horsepower, and check this out, Mikey. This vehicle does 11.5 miles per gallon, even though it weighs 26 tons.
That's crazy. What, a Hummer does 8 or 9 miles a gallon, right?
That's right. So impressive. And it's actually 12 meters long, 4 meters tall, 2.5 meters wide. So it's definitely a big vehicle. It doesn't have side mirrors. It has side cameras. Now, going this way, we have the first slide out here that kicks out about 50 centimeters. That's your living room area. And on this side, we have 2 folding chairs, custom designed for this motorhome, where you can store it right here. That's your storage compartment that connects all the way to the other side. And below here, Mikey, we have your hydraulic pumps. And right next to that is your split air conditioning unit for the entire motorhome. Super cool. Now, right in the center, we have this lit up staircase that leads you to the inside. Push of a button, you can actually close the staircase. It flushes nicely with the exterior clad. Above that, you have your door that we're gonna check out in a bit. Now, coming here, if you actually look above the motorhome, we have 4 solar panels, each producing 320 watts. So in total, you get 1,320 watts. And right here, Mikey, you have 200 amp each, in total 800 amp lithium batteries to store all that electricity. That way you can power all the electronics in this car without having the need to turn on the diesel generator. When you close this panel here, there's a nice cutout for your keypad, and I cannot show you guys this code, but you can hide away your stairs just like that. Rear tires, they have steering as well. That way when you're turning, the rear tires turn as well to help you with the turning radius of this long vehicle, which is super cool. And above us, we have this motorized retractable awning system with LED lighting on the steel legs, which is super unique. And above that is obviously covered, 6 meters wide, 3.5 meters in depth. And on top of that, you have a secondary motorized screen here to lower down. That way, let's say you're having your meal down below here and you don't want to get the sun, you can actually avoid it through the shade. When the wind gets up to 39 kilometers an hour, it automatically closes up since it doesn't have any supporting legs. This model has a small garage where you can park your smart car, which is incredible. It's also branded with the same color theme like the rest of the motorhome. And it's amazing the fact that you can actually bring your own personal car wherever you travel. And I want to open the door here. So you have 8 stairs that takes you up, Mikey. Built-in handrail with LED lighting. You can see the latches, they're heavy duty. And I'll meet you guys inside. And we go straight into the living room area. Now the interior of this motorhome is stunning. In fact, Denbel uses an interior design firm that specializes in yacht design. Now the first area I want to cover is right behind me. We have this 50-inch TV, nicely recessed into this wood-clad wall. Now, in front of the seating area, we also have this table that's currently positioned as a coffee table. On top of that,
oh wow,
you can lower it and raise it if you want. Amazing space. Now let's continue our tour. We have these 2 chairs currently turned this direction to your seating area, and obviously when you're cruising, you have it turned the other way around. But more importantly, Mikey, ready? I'm gonna lower it a tiny bit. There you go. Normally you would have these chairs leaning back, so you can actually lower this queen size bed all the way down here, and that's your additional sleeping area. As we go in here, it's super spacious, and I gotta say this, the cockpit of this motorhome is truly stunning. And Mikey, look at this. I mean, this is your gear. You have all this extra storage, obviously. All these seats that we're sitting on, all 4 seats, they are heated, cooled, and massaged.
And don't forget, they're also on hydraulics, so...
Air suspension.
Air suspension, yeah.
Right here, we have the Miele induction cooktop. Above that, you have your tucked-in kitchen vent. And here, we have a nice LED channel lighting for the entire kitchen. They have espresso cups branded with Denbel.
That's pretty cool.
All their cups, dishware, everything is actually branded. And check out this detail. This cover plate comes off, and there you go. You have your modern sink there with a pop-up faucet. There you go, nice and sleek. And let's put this cover back on. Another good detail that I want to mention here also, they have this awning window here that you can open up, get some fresh air, right? I love those aluminum handles. And check this out, you either have bug screen, automatic. Last part of this kitchen is right here. This panel door opens up to your fridge. Down below, we have the freezer. And that wraps our tour for the kitchen. And right next to that, we have an additional door opening up this small closet space where you have your control for your AC, generator, and this screen right here controls the entire motorhome. Now, like the rest of the motorhome, this bathroom here has some of those yacht finishes with the curved walls, LED lit mirror, chrome details here with your faucet, nice bowl sink. This toilet right here, Mikey, is also heated. It's motorized. I mean, this is incredible. You have a LED lit mirror here for your makeup or when you get ready. Heated towel racks with this Korean stone back wall, and even the towel has a Danville branding. Is your walk-in shower with a massive rain head above. Even your shower head is actually a good size.
Yeah, and it's not small in there either. Go inside.
Let's check it out. You have chrome fixtures here. I mean, it's a good size. And on the back, you actually have shampoo niche here with LED lighting.
Yeah.
This door right here opens up to your closet for your bathroom, and down below you have a washer and dryer, which is something you gotta have. Now, at the end of this hallway, we gotta show this detail. Remedizio mirrored pocketing door. I said mirrored because you can actually see yourself. It's like a nice full-size mirror that closes off your bedroom. Mike, now this space is just as cozy as the rest of the motor home. You have two massive windows on each side bringing natural light. Again, they're heated. And of course you have your bug screen, automatic shades, blackouts, everything you need.